In these sections, we're going to look at sequence-to-sequence learning. At the beginning, we're going to look at the customer service problems. I hope I motivate you to look at sequence-to-sequence learning from this problem. And then we are going to introduce the definition of sequence-to-sequence learning and also the definitions about RNN and LSTM. Finally, we're going to use Caffe2 to train our RNN model to write like Shakespeare. In this video, we're going to look at customer service problem. Whether you are in an e-commerce website or you go to some booking website, so you always have these problems to connect with the customer service. And a lot of customer service, they only operate from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. In the United States, some of them only operate in the New York Times. And sometimes you just want to do some simple task like unlock your account. So the customer service is only working in a specific time, but the customers demand to access to the service anytime they want. So really to fill this gap, we need to think about something like Chatbot to basically solve these time problems. In order to using Chatbot into this customer service process, we're really talking about natural language processing. So it's to understand what is the question from the customers and also providing the relevant answers to that question. So recent approach with the sequence-to-sequence models such as recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory, they really define the state-of-the-art performance in solving this question and answering problems. So in this video and also in the following videos, we're going to look at how to solve these problems using sequence-to-sequence learning, and what is the sequence-to-sequence learning, as well as what is the RNN and LSTM. Another typical problems in the customer service is the customer service might only speak English, while the customers, they might speak French. In this case, you really need to help the customer service to translate the request, either answers or question, into the English so that we can make sure that the customer service would understand those simple requests in different language. And this really is the problems of machine translation, and it can be solved by sequence-to-sequence learning. And the take-home message here is the customers demand the customer service to be operating in all the times. And one way to solve this is really to have the chatbot. And customers from different countries, they might speak different language. It would be much nicer if the customer service could translate the request from different language to English, especially those simple cases. And a sequence-to-sequence model such as RNN, LSTM, nowadays really set the state-of-the-art performance in NLP problems with question and answering and also machine translation tasks. In these sections, we're going to looking at the sequence-to-sequence models, and I hope these examples really motivate you to learn this.